So you may know a little bit about credit scores and loans and the two terms associated with them: interest rates and annual percentage rates, aka APRs. So what exactly is an interest rate and an APR, and what makes them different? So what's going on, guys? Chris Robinson here. In today's video, we will be focusing on an APR and interest rate and what makes them different. So be sure to watch through the full video, take notes, smash that thumbs up button, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more related content. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so let's first start with the simple definition with a couple of examples. An interest rate / nominal interest rate is an expense percentage on a loan. For example, if you take out a $1,000 loan with a 12% interest rate, which could be high in most cases, your expense on the loan is $1,000 times 0.12, which equals to a $120 expense on the loan for 1 year. This is commonly divided into monthly payments, making it a $10 monthly interest payment. If you want to calculate all this together, the principal and interest, it would be as follows: $1,120 divided by 12, which equals $93.33 monthly. If you want to know your principal, you will simply subtract $10 from the $93.33 to get $83.33. Alright, so enough about interest rate. Now let's discuss and examine an APR to know exactly what it is. An annual percentage rate is the cost you pay each year on the money you borrow, which also includes fees. The amount of the loan along with these fees will express the percentage of the APR. Within this APR, you will find the interest rate as well as additional fees attached for acquiring a loan. And these fees can vary, but common fees include closing costs, rebates, broker fees, and etc. And it's also important to know that the APR is always greater than or equal to the nominal interest rate. And buying a home would be a great example of calculating the APR. If you were to buy a home for $100,000 with the same high interest rate of 12%, but you have to pay closing costs and insurance in the amount of $2,000, your new loan is now $102,000. We'll use the 12% interest rate on the new loan amount to calculate an annual interest expense of $12,240,000. Now, to calculate the APR, we need to divide the $12,240 by the original loan amount of $100,000 to get 0.1224, then multiply by 100 to get 12.24% as our APR. So if you're not good with numbers or sometimes have trouble understanding finance, I can understand how this can be confusing. However, whenever you take out a loan, it's important to know your APR, since this rate will give you the full picture on how much money you will be paying in the end. So in other words, if you're ever confused about which lender and which loan is best for you, it's important that you pay close attention to that APR, since this is the real cost of financing. Alright, so I really hope you guys learned something new or gained a better understanding of the difference between an APR and an interest rate. So before you go, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos like this, and I see you guys in the next video.